Welcome to Animal Behavior. I'm Austin Morell. The Riparian Preserve in Gilbert, Arizona is home to many different organisms from turtles to birds and ducks to rabbits, each of them interacting and behaving in the same environment. We will observe those interactions as well as identifying the different methods of behavior and why those behaviors are selected for by natural selection. Organisms at the Riparian Preserve exhibit daily biological rhythms such as basking in the sun due to cold water temperatures. Since the turtle is cold-blooded and cannot maintain internal temperatures, this innate behavior would be selected for so that it can maintain its internal temperature. This rabbit exhibits habituation. This learned behavior allows the rabbit to simply ignore me, as it has learned humans that walk by pose no threat. This is important because as the rabbit eats, it must choose the food or the stimulus that could reward or punish the rabbit. Because it is choosing to ignore me, it is also practicing optimal foraging as it chooses not to waste energy responding to me, the stimulus. These ducks communicate to perhaps keep its group together or to signal food. This can be regarded as both learned and innate behavior since these organisms are born with the ability to communicate but must learn from experience in order to use it. This is important as it allows organisms to speak to each other and signal danger, social status, and location of food. Just like how Pavlov's dog learned to salivate to the sound of a bell, these ducks show this learned behavior of classical conditioning in which they are conditioned to rush to the first sound of footsteps on the dock or a bag of bread rustling. This is selected for because an organism is being rewarded most of the time when responding to the stimulus, but organisms can also use this learning behavior to associate places or things with danger so that they may be avoided. Ducks at the preserve are most active mainly in the mornings and at sunset, most likely due to the high volume of people that walk the pond and offer bread. This is a learned behavior as they set their clocks based on foraging times. This behavior is selected for because it allows the ducks to acquire the most food possible in regards to their optimal foraging times. When there's no food, the ducks sleep and bask in the sun. Ducks here may be fighting for territory, a term known as territoriality. Costs to fight for territories include time and energy to hold and keep, as well as the risk to defend the territory. This innate behavior is selected for because it ensures reproductive success.